Yeah, took a fall there. Good morning, everyone. Today's gonna be a little quick video. We're ripping out these dead men right here. Trick is to get your tooth around there, dig it down a little bit, get your tooth around, and just yank up. They're every 12 feet, all the way down. We gotta go all the way down there. We've already done about 5 different rows of these things. It's a very monotonous. Is that the word I'm looking at? Yeah, monotonous job. So let's go. There goes. You gotta find them first. Huh? Wonder where it is. Should be right on there somewhere. There it is. Where them hoses are. So let's expose it a little more. This one's more to the left. My left would be, I don't know, you're right, I guess. I don't know. Boom. Get it wrapping around that tooth of the bucket, and then pop it up. Sometimes that little round part stays on the ground, but fill in the hole a little bit, and then keep going. I'll come and backfill this later once I get all of them in this row.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that.
Alright, so we're all done. All the way down our side right there. He's gonna get the other side. which is fine. Usually there's like an avenue right here. We'll clean it up. Then after that, maybe a little bit of backfill. We got caught up fixing and capping pipe, stuff like that. So, but anyway, this is where we're at. Backhoe! No? No? Alright, so that is all the Deadmen for today. All the way down. He's working on the ones on the left over there. But that is it. It's really monotonous, but it is what it is. But I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.